Today I'm going to show you how to change out the blower motor on your Honda Fit. This is a 2016. Customer complaint was that it would intermittently not work, and then it stopped working for a week, and then it came back, and it's working now, but when you turn the key over, it's making a very, very loud noise, like the bearing is out of it. So let's get started. So there's just pull tabs right here. And you pop that down. There's two clips. And then right there's our blower motor. You're gonna want to take this clip off. Right there. Just snaps onto that plastic tab. And there's a white tab right there. Pull down on it. There is 3 bolts, just like this. Here is the 3 bolt holes that we're aiming for, and you can use a flat blade screwdriver because there's a slot in it, or a T20 Torx bit. Once you have all the bolts out, it'll just drop down, easy as can be. Here's the old unit, and I don't know if you can hear that. The bearing in it's shot. Here's the part number from O'Reilly's. It's import direct, and I'll also leave a link in the description for one off of Amazon if you want to get it for cheaper. Here is the new one. It's about 70 bucks at the time of making this. Let's put it in. When you put it in, make sure to line this part up with that part right there, just like that. And now put your screws in and the new one's in. Time to just plug this in, and make sure to thread these in by hand first and only snug them up because you are tightening them just into plastic. Hook this back up and then plug it in. You should hear a snap. Time to just put our cover back on. Make sure you put these 2 tabs sticking out right here and here. Then lift it up and snap it into place. And I don't know if you guys can hear it, but whenever we turn it on, way smoother sounding blower motor.